So now let's solve this system here. We got 5x plus 2y equals -6, negative 5x plus 4y equals 18. Notice these are both in standard form. We got the x, the y, then the equal sign. So we can do solve by elimination, also called solve by addition. So we're just going to add these two equations straight down. So 5x's minus 5x's makes 0x's. 2y plus 4y makes 6y. And then we got the equal sign, and then -6 or 6 subtracted from 18 is going to make a 12. So for this equation here, the x's were eliminated, and then we're just left with 6y equals 12. How do we get y by itself? Well, we're going to divide 6 to both sides. So divide by 6 and divide by 6. We got 6 over 6 is 1y, so that goes right there in that blank, equals 12 divided by 6 makes 2. So y equals 2, that's the first value that we have found. We found the y value for this system. Next up, we got to find the x value. So we do need to choose which equation is going to be easier to work with. So from the top and the bottom one, the top one does have smaller numbers. It has one negative. The bottom one only has one negative. So probably the top one would be easier to work with. Okay, so we're going to choose that one there. Now, we already know the value for y. So that's the y there is going to get replaced with a 2. And now we clean up the equation. We can do some simplification on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So 5x stays. 2 times 2, we can replace that with a 4, and then equals still a -6. Now we just solve for x. It's a two-step equation. We're going to subtract 4 and then divide by 5. So to undo the plus 4 with a -4 to both sides, so we got 5x plus 0 equals -6 minus 4. You owe $6 and you owe 4 more dollars. You're going to owe a grand total of $10. So -10 there. And then we want to undo the 5 being multiplied by x with a divide 5 to both sides. 5 over 5 makes 1x, written right there. Negative divided by a positive is going to be a negative. 10 divided by 5 makes 2. So the x value is 2 and the y value, or the x value is -2 and the y value is +2.